let's see. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Oh.
Use your muscles.
Come on, we gotta pull this one.
Oh, look. What is it?
What's in there? A big box? What's that? What?
Oh my
Whoa.
goodness.
Is that a big castle with guys? Whoa. Is there another one in there? Get the other one. Look at this. Look at all these cool toys.
That one.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh.
You come try it. Go push this button. Come on, go push your button. Go. Show mommy. Go.
Ah, oh my goodness. Is that awesome? That is so cool. My mom says that it communicates or something.
Awesome.
That is so cool, Liam.
Oh, let's open another one.
Want to open another
Open
one?
Another one?
Another one of your
More
million
toys.
presents?
Come on. Let's see. What else you got? Huh? Oh, that's for Daddy. For Liam. Oh, those are for Mommy. That's for Mommy. Oh, is this one? This one's for Liam.
What's that?
Open it right here. Come here, open it. Rip it open, stick your finger in it. Go.
Oh, yeah. Woohoo. Good job, baby.
Okay, now rip it down right here. Rip that part. Rip it. Rip it. Oh, use your muscles. Oh.
Good job.
Rip. Rip it down that way. Rip it.
Oh, my goodness. What's in there?
Get it. What is that? What is that? Does that make music?
You want to see it? Can you bust through it? Are you getting so excited?
Which one you want? This. Oh, this, and this? Oh, okay.
Liam, go see it.
Looks like a xylophone, huh? Is this a xylophone?
I keep forgetting that I'm like recording, and I'll look away and the camera will not be focused. Woohoo! Good job.
Oh, you want the other one? Okay, it's gonna make some music.
This is from Papa, babies.
Can you say thank you, Papa?
Woohoo! Oh, jeez.
Woohoo!
Go, keep going, good boy. Woohoo!
I'll make this one, okay? And you can do it after Daddy. Make some more music.
Make some music.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness, what's that? Liam, sit down on the ground.
Do you want to make some music? Blow it. You gotta blow it, remember? You blow it, not suck in. Blow. Do that. Do that.
job, baby. That is so cool. Liam, do you like that? Liam, is that awesome?